Dito kami.
Stay away from the window.
You don't know what's happening, pero right now, hindi namin alam kung ano nangyari sa labas daw mismo yung
Kuya, ito.
unbelievable.
We were all in one room. Sen Mark, Sen Joel, Sen Aimee.
It's almost 10 p.m. We're still here in the Senate and kanina bandang mga 7:46 p.m. nung makarinig kami ng gunshot and tuloy-tuloy siya. Meron tatlong malalakas pero right now we are safe and sound. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nanalangin. Nandito si Senator Pia, Senator Camille Villar, Senator Ivy.
Uy, Joel, bakit wala man
Senator-
lang mga kapwa-senador na nangumusta sa atin kung buhay pa tayo?
Well, nandito rin Senator Bongo, Senator Alan, Senator Marcoleta. We were actually having a majority caucus and nung sinabi sa amin na papunta na dito yung articles of impeachment, so sabi namin, sige, aabangan na namin, no? And until yun yung mga nangyari. But we're all safe. In-clear ngayon yung buong building. Kasama namin ng SILG natin nandito rin.